Hey everybody, good morning on Wednesday morning, everybody. Well, today I wanted to talk about. Uh, today I want to talk about getting your mind straight. The first thing in the morning, what you're going to do is get up. Get up, get off your bed, and make yourself a cup of coffee every single morning. If you don't have your cup of coffee, your mind will be in the fog. Because I don't want my mind be in a fog. Because I'll be always tired all the time. So, because I need to manage my YouTube channel. That's make me manage it because I manage videos, YouTube shorts, and post. Because if I have to post when you guys vote on videos, when you guys will vote on videos, you guys will help me out some. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what when I get my up to my cup of when I have a cup of coffee every morning. I I I don't have my mind in the fog. So I want everybody out there, all the big time coffee drinkers. I want you guys to comment down below what you guys think about coffee. You want to have it in the morning? If you want to have it afternoon, that'll help you get your mind not be foggy every morning or afternoon. What do you guys think about that? Comment down below what you guys think about coffee. But you have you have ways to make your own um you have many ways to make your own coffee every morning. But if you have your cup of coffee, that helps your mind think about videos. Your mind help you about your workout plans. That's what I'm going to do today. I I need to work on me. That helps get my head out of the fog. So that's what my stepmom said. Every time when she is, that's what she said every time when I hang out with her. Now I might hang out with her today. That'll be after I get my. Well, I might hang out with her today, but I'm going to the gym around 5 o'clock because I see she would drop me off at the gym because I need to talk to my friend Emily today. And I might have that. I'll get my workout on, and I will have that come home, relax, chill, play a video game, get ready to go to bed. The first thing in the morning, hop in the shower. No, the first thing in the morning I'll do is taking these two medicines in the morning before I have my cup of coffee and my shower. So that's what I'm going to do. And hopefully, if I see her again, Because if I see her, I tell her I love her. I know well, she is real. She is real. In the picture, that's me right there. I am overweight in this picture. I'm changing that problem. People out there need some help to change. Well, people need some help to change. How about we start changing together? How about we need to sit down and we sit down, have a cup of coffee, and think so hard about this. What is your plans? Get yourself back in shape. Me, I'm thinking a lot about myself. You know why? Because I need to work on myself a lot. Well, 2024 is almost over, and next year is 2025. I am still working on myself every year. Every year, I work on myself every year, being more out there. Like other people will see me. Every woman will see me. Every single moms. No, yeah. Yeah, every single woman out there want a man like me. Every single woman wants a man. They would tell him he needs to change. Change is a good thing. Change is a good thing, and change is bad. Well, if I get like mean and nasty comments on this video, don't put no comments being mean. If you do, I will fuck it. That's what I'm trying to say. And don't forget to get don't forget to drink coffee every morning. That helps you fog in your head. Change is important. You go having the first thing in the morning, you have your cup of coffee. Second thing, drink it and wake up, slide to the shower, and start your day. And I'm happy because, well, I change myself, and also, and I'm happy for my nephew and my niece, Tay and Ellie and Harmony. And yeah, Tay, Harmony, Ellie, and Abby. Are going back to school today. So I want to say this to my nephew Tay. Tay, if you go back home, I love you, bud. I love you. I always do love you. Ellie, I love you too. Ellie and Tay, I love you both. Because I don't want to cry right now. I don't. To, to let you know, I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you. I'm here for you from now in the future. Because when I will have a wife and my own 2 kids, I still think about you too. Same thing with Harmony. I think about Harmony all the time now. Because, when I was gonna grow my channel, I need more love. You know. Yeah, I need to grow my channel. I need more love on this channel. I need more love on this channel. I need more love. Every single day. I got a lot of people loving me. I have a lot of people who love me. My roommate loves me. My roommate loves me. My mom loves me. My dad loves me. My stepmom loves me. My stepsister loves me. Keith. My family above my family in heaven. They love me. My 2 high school friends love me. And what I think about what the things that I need to do for me, I need to open myself up. That's what I'm doing in this video today. I'm trying to open myself up. Open myself up in this video. That makes more people watching this video. More people watching this video. More views. More followers. So, I need to do that. Tons of YouTubers are trying to open up to you guys. They do blocking channels, paranormal channels, challenges, overnight on the island. But I'm not going to do overnight at the island. Not yet. But I'm still working on some ideas for challenge videos. So help me out with that. I think about one challenge I'm going to do. But that might hurt. But that might hurt my tongue some too. But maybe I will do 1 chip challenge. 1 chip challenge. If I do that challenge, I'm gonna have my glass of milk to cover it. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's why I'm trying to say I love my niece and my nephews. So I love you guys a lot. Homie, I love you. Homie, I love you. No matter what, if you go to college, you look back at this video. I'm here for you. Ellie, I love you. Ellie, I love you. If you go to college, if you if you go to college, you look up back at this video. I love you. Same thing, bud. Tay, I love you, bud. It's same thing, like I said to Harmony and Ellie in this video. Tay, I love you. If you graduate from your school, all the way to the school, go to the high school. Go to the high school. The teachers still will help you graduate from school, like I did. Because I graduated from high school because teachers and students, they're loving me. Including my favorite coach, Coach Brown. Coach Brown loves me. He's one of my favorite coaches. This is his last year being the head coach for Bell Fountain Chiefs. This coming up Friday is a game at the high school. I might think about going to watch that after I go eat dinner. But after that, I will go home because I got things to do on Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays. So I'm gonna go hang out with my stepmom on the weekend, have a cup of coffee, hang out with her. But after she gets done with that today, I'm going to hang out with her today. And we have a cup of coffee. We do whatever we want to do today. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm not trying to cry on the channel. I can help it because I got I am so sorry, guys. I don't want to cry on the channel because I don't want to cry on the channel. If I cry, I have kindness. I have kindness. Kindness is my feelings for everybody. Only some people. If like I have kindness for some people, like symbol my family. I do have kindness and love for my family. I do. Only some people out there, they don't need no kindness. They don't. That'll be the next video on that today. To make it to the end of this video, thank you everybody to open up today. The title of this video is called Open Up. So I hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys. I love all of you, my viewers out there, and you guys are the kindness in my heart. That's why I love you guys. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all day long. But I love your comments also. Without you guys, I'm here to make videos. No, wait. Yeah. I'm here for you guys. I love you in many ways. I love you in I love you in many ways, and I'm kindness too. I love my family so much also. So, my brother Mason, if he's watching this video overseas, Mason, I love you, bud. Hope you come home soon for my birthday. Please. I love you. Hope you make it home safe. To let you know. I'll let people know on this video, Mason, you are my only brother I have. I love you. And that's what I'm trying to do. Open up. I'm trying to open up and trying to open up. By the way, I'll let you guys go. I'll let you guys go. I will make another video today. Stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned today. Make more. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I love you guys deeply, but not in a gay way. I love you guys because, yeah, not in a gay way. Yeah, I love you guys because not in a gay way. I'm straight. I'm straight. I want to be like that forever. I love women. That'll be another type of, yeah, that'll be another type of video. So, I'm so working on that today. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. That's too sweet.